Collaborative editing can be a game changer, but sometimes it's hard to keep track of everyone's ideas. That's where commenting and suggestions come in. Thinking face light bulb. With commenting, you can leave feedback directly on the document or video. It's like having a virtual sticky note. Memo. Whether it's a question, a suggestion, or just a simple great job, commenting keeps the conversation flowing. Speech balloon. But wait, there's more. Suggestions take it to the next level. Rocket. Instead of just leaving a comment, you can actually make changes to the document or video. It's like having a magic wand. Sparkles. So, how does it work? Well, you highlight the text or select the section you want to suggest changes for, and then you leave your mark. Paintbrush. It's a collaborative masterpiece in the making. And the best part? You can see all the comments and suggestions in one place, making it easy to keep track of everyone's input. Bar chart eyes. So, next time you're working on a project with others, don't forget to utilize commenting and suggestions. It's the secret sauce to seamless collaboration. Handshake. Flexed biceps. Remember, teamwork makes the dream work. Let's create something amazing together. Glowing star sparkles.